Okay.
You're not crazy?
No.
No? What do you think of Josh's truck?
I think it's Josh's truck is crazy.
You think Josh's truck is crazy? Yeah, that's pretty crazy. Dude, so give us a quick rundown.
I mean, if it's something you guys want to do it yourself, it's possible with a little bit of lift. But yeah, we took a crew cab from a 2003 crew cab long bed. We cut the frame between the body mounts and spliced it into my mega cab short bed. And you can see the seat channel, it's got a little bit of a expanded portion. The frame just slips right back in there. Get it all cleaned and get the drive shaft measured up. Should be good to go.
And this is
Not something you can run a single piece drive shaft. You'll have to run a 2-piece. Exhaust is gonna have to get extended. Brake line's gonna have to get extended.
pretty sweet though. We run a 2-piece on the crew, so.
Yeah.
It's gonna be dope. We're flatbedding it.
Yeah.
Do that diff cover. Oh yeah, we also got, he is also going to be doing a wrap on the truck as well. And I told him not to tell me what color it is, but he kind of slipped. But I still know the actual color, but it's going to be sweet. And another thing too, he is doing the fenders. This thing's going to have what, 03 to 05 look, right?
03 to 05 front end, yep.
Oh.
Fenders and the headlights are going to be different. They should all match up to the 06 and to 08.
That's right. So I'm stoked about that because I like that look. And he does too. So just got twins too. We're gonna go into this truck a lot more because this thing's getting, the crew's done.
He has my vinyl now. He just got to bring it down. And,
He's got, oh,
yeah.
so tempted. I want to look.
It is going to be pretty nice.
Be careful, bud.
It's going to be one of a kind, hopefully.
All right, let's get some stuff moved over. Let's get this thing welded, man. Or at least get her tacked up. Just prepping a little bit, getting some of the paint. We kind of lined it already just to make things a little bit easier. Not even sure if you can hear me. So that's all he's doing right now. And then we're about to weld.
The light.
Yeah, pretty neat, huh? Shout out to this man right here.
Hell yeah. So let's measure uno más and that'll be it.
Josh is welding away.
Can you turn it down to 6?
Turning wire speed. Bro, that is quick. Oh, dude, we got fan mail to open up too.
Huh?
We got freaking fan mail to open up. That is crazy. Hopefully y'all can see it. It's a little dark out, but not bad. Looks like the lighting on here is pretty good. This thing is turning out good. Josh has already got some crazy ideas he's gonna show, but he's about to put them on. I'm not gonna let anybody see that. That's gonna be on tomorrow's video because I'm gonna try to be banging these out like crazy. That's gonna be it for tonight. You guys saw the welds. Got the long bed conversion on there. What else did we do? Oh, we did Josh did a little bit of wiring. Get that just to make sure everything's good, because obviously we went from a short bed to a long bed, all those kind of things. You said what, brake line's coming in tomorrow? Yeah. Brake line's coming in tomorrow. Nothing crazy, nothing too exciting, but progress nonetheless. We got to figure out drivetrain, or excuse me, the drive line. We got our Bilstein shocks in there as well. And then, yeah, stay tuned for that. But that's gonna do it for this video. We bailing. I don't want to show people what we working on in the front. What's that, Gavin? Don't touch my truck? Bro, your face.
Yeah.
We gotta clean you up.
Okay.
Say bye.
Bye.
No, say bye to the video, not to Josh.
Bye.
There we go.
vinnysshifterz?
vinnysshifterz. He's out of Oregon. Oh, yeah. Open it. I gotta hold the camera.
Open it in it.
Yeah. So this guy hit me up. He's got something for the crew. And he also does a lot of, I'll put his Instagram information down below.
This is tire, Dad. This is tire.
Alrighty. Actually, you know what? He's sending business cards. Here we go. Take a little look-see.
I know.
Screenshot that for all you guys. But yeah, he sent some stickers to throw on the tailgate of the crew.
Sweet.
Heck yeah. This guy does custom shift knobs. Handmade custom shift knobs. Tag us on Instagram, it's right there. Hopefully it can focus. Mail number 2. Thank you, man. This is what's up. What else we got?
More decals.
More decals.
For that tailgate.
There we go.
Maybe I should be sticker bombing something on my truck.
Maybe. There we go. Hey, thank you guys. Seriously, like when I just threw that out there just for you know, somebody wanted to add a couple stickers. I didn't really think people were gonna do it. I think it's cool, and I have no problem shouting you guys out if you guys want to send me some stuff. As a matter of fact, I think I'm also I'll put our shop address down below. That way, if anybody wants to send us anything, we'll throw it on there because we appreciate it.
Bag of 50s would do too.
Bag of 50s. This guy in the bag of 50s. All right, that's it. We out. Josh.
Bye. See you later.